Alright, this is 12 BMX for life. Me and my friend Uchi just started BMXing, and we're about to do bike set. Alright, I'll start my grips. These are Mission grips, pretty grippy. I don't really like how that is. I wish the lines were sideways, that'd be better. But yeah, they're alright. They give me a lot of focus. Mission, it's a closed, it has a little M. It's a closed bar, they're rubber. Alright, I got Motown bars. Pretty nice. They're pretty light. Matte blue, and that's your bike. Got the forks are kink Volt forks. Pretty good. I have alienation rim. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says alienation right there. My stem is a Mission component stem. It's gray. I have a gyro. That's not, I kind of like it, but it's getting annoying. So the gyro is like, you can do this with the bike bars without them getting tangled up. This is just a stock tire. I don't really care for that. Bring you guys back to the frame. It is a kink launch frame. That's the bike kink launch. It is pretty good. I got a headset. It's a Mission component headset. I have a Mission component seat clamp. Alright, I didn't really say that. There's component seat clamp. A kink seat. I think that's how all the kink seats are. Alright, I forgot this part. The headset. Can't really see that. It's right here. The Mission headset. I might take the jar off later. Headset could be up here. I got some stock pedals. They spin so good ever since I got the bike. These are Mission component cranks. They're gray, just like my, whatever you call it. I'm gonna bring the bike on. Okay, I don't even know what kind of chain that is. I don't really care right now. I got a 25-tooth sprocket, kink, whatever that word says. Pretty nice. Yeah, my hub sounds pretty nice. I have an unsealed hub. No, bottom bracket. Unsealed bottom bracket. It's pretty nice. Let's see what else. Alright, goes out seat clamp. So yeah, this is my bike. Kink Launch $264 bike out of Command Pump. And I'll be posting some more videos when the house and stuff. I just started, so yeah.